Hi, I'm Matthew from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and today I'm here to show you guys the HSP Load Slide. So if you're sick of crawling in and out of your tub, if you're sick of straining your shoulders by getting heavier items out, or you just want to partition your products without having a traditional drawer system, I think the Load Slide is a perfect product. Let me show you how the HSP Load Slide works. You simply use the simple handle to move the slide up and down. Now, when it's at full extension, you can have up to 250 kilos evenly dispersed onto this unit. And the other really cool part about this is it's got a latching position every 20 centimeters. So again, using that simple handle, you can simply let go and it will latch into position. So if you're on an incline or a decline and you've got quite a lot of weight on there, you can just simply let go and it's going to latch in, giving you a lot more safety. So come through and have a look. What you can see is that this is custom cut, and the benefit of custom cut means you get to maximize the usable space within the tub. So you don't have a traditional square cut, which has quite a lot of dead space on each side. This allows you to use your tub in a much better manner. I want to show you guys also the purpose-built side rails. Now, the purpose-built side rails actually double up as anchor points, so you can actually hold stuff within here and use that as a strapping point, and also stop your items from flowing out the back and falling outside of the actual platform itself. Now, let's also talk about the actual finish of the product. Now, it's finished in a hexa coating, which is a plastic coating that goes on top of the Russian birch. It keeps it nice and light in terms of the weight, but also allows you to have some anti-slip and anti-scratch properties, which is fantastic. And I think the black finish really sets it off, especially against tub liners or spray-in liners as well. The base frame is made from a HA35 steel, which is a structural steel, so it's really nice and hard wearing, and that's why you can get that really high weight rating of 250 at full extension. That's the HSP Load Slide. You can find out more by visiting www.hsputelits.com or following us on any of our social media at HSP4x4.